What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So I'm outside at night. I actually got this order a little bit late. This is the Aivolt cordless snow shovel, okay? And I literally just pulled it out of the box and I banked up some snow real quick. We had some snowfall today. This is the third time for this week, and now it's starting to drizzle a little bit, so the snow is like a little bit kind of wet, but I just want to demonstrate this anyway so you guys can see it. All right, so guys, in the box, the motor is 24 watts, comes with a 24 volt DC battery. It can clear about 11 inches, so almost a foot. Okay, so it's a 4 amp hour battery, okay, or battery capacity. The depth is around 7 inches, but I don't know like how much it can shovel at a time, but I would probably do a little bit less, but we'll see. Okay, and the charge time for the battery is about an hour, almost 2 hours. The throw distance for light snow, obviously, you know, like for powder type snow, is saying like 20 feet, but you know, I mean, that's to be seen. Has a 2-blade paddle auger, and it only weighs like close to like around 15 pounds. All right, so let's see. So I got some snow piled up right here. Okay, so pretty much, guys, it's very, very easy to set up in the box. Obviously, you saw that on a time lapse. I literally just pulled out the battery, no charge or anything like that. There's a button for the battery back here. So there's a little orange button. So there's a little orange button back here. Let me show you. Once you press it, you can see the level of the battery. So I got almost 3. Okay, it's a little bit dim on the 3rd or the highest level. And there's a safety pin right here. So you press the handle right here, push the pin at the same time, and it starts up. This should work. Actually works pretty damn good. Guys, it actually works pretty good, and I'll tell you why. Because I know it's a little, the lighting is not, you know, that great, but this is the only time, you know, I mean, I literally just got the delivery. They sent it on emergency, but you know, I mean, it just got dropped off from Amazon, so I'll drop the link where you can pick this up. I've done stuff with Aivolt before. They do make really, really good stuff. As I said, guys, set up in the box is super, super easy. Comes with everything you need, all the hardware and everything to set it up. Like, it literally took me about, I would say, 1 minute. And the charger obviously is inside. So that's pretty much it. Now, the cool thing, it comes with this ergonomic handle right here, so you could hold on like right here. So obviously, guys, this saves your back. You know what I'm saying? It's as tall as a damn, probably even taller than a standard shovel. But look at this. The only thing I would tell you, it doesn't have like a swivel to direct where the snow is going to go. So if you're shoveling, so it's pretty clean for the most part, and it throws it pretty far. Now, guys, the crazy thing is, remember, this snow is wet and it's freaking throwing this thing amazingly. So I got nothing but good things to say about it. All right, I'll give you guys a better look at it on the inside, and that's really it, guys. So definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. But it freaking works fantastic, I'll tell you that much. Look, and it's super light. This is the auger system right here. I don't know if you could see it. I'm holding it upside down. Let me get some light so you can see it. Yeah, and rain is starting to come down. So this snow is super, super wet. And it actually did a really, really good job. This is the auger system right here. So there's no metal, so you don't have to worry about your feet or anything getting chopped off. But obviously, guys, use caution. Don't put your hand there while this thing is spinning. So a couple things, as I said, remember, when you're using this, Okay, this is the battery right here. There is the orange button right here. My GoPro is soaked. There's an orange button right here to see the battery level. Okay, you pull the handle, you press this button. This is the safety right here. So press, press. And that's how it works. Okay, and this is the ergonomic handle right here, and you can adjust that with this wing nut right here. You can adjust it up and down or whatever suits you. Now, two things about this: it doesn't have something that can hold the trigger. Okay, they make it like that on purpose, so it doesn't, and just in case of an emergency, once you let it go, you let it go. You know, there's nothing to like hold the trigger on run, so to speak. Also, the one thing that kind of sucks is that obviously the auger, it shoots only in one direction, so you're gonna actually have to use this strategically so you're not shooting snow on top where you're working, if you get what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? But it shoots it far enough. If it's light snow, I'm telling you, we're shooting the wet snow pretty far. So light snow will definitely go further. So just use it strategically, and that's pretty much it. So anyway, guys, once again, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Aivolt, thank you for sending me this. And guys, remember, I just used this cold out of the box. The battery was like almost fully charged. Okay? So I will talk to you guys soon, guys. Take it easy.